May I trouble you? Hey, you can do this!
What? We're done already?
There's no need to worry. There is still more to do. You can think of everything up to this point as your warm-up. Now begins your true training. I think it's safe to say you've finally mastered the basics required for any true improvement.
The basics?
For your next challenge, you'll be fighting yours truly. A word of advice. Do feel free to fight me at full power. I happen to be incredibly strong.
Cocky bastard.
This is not ego talking, it is simply a matter of fact. We can begin whenever you'd like. Are you ready? You're doing very well, Vegeta!
Is that so? Well, I've got a lot more power to gain. Super Saiyan? I was able to achieve that a long time ago.
Oh, is that...
What's this?
A fine... Ready? I trust you'll... I admit I'm rather curious. It will be quite interesting to see how much stronger you can get after this next one.
Got it!
Your technique has improved since last time. The pace at which you're learning...
Still not good enough. You need to become stronger. How can you look so calm no matter how much I attack you?
I must agree. It would have been problematic if you were satisfied with this performance. Lord Beerus would not be pleased.
Lord Beerus? Super Saiyan 2? I was able to achieve that a long time ago.
Oh, is that...
What's this?
Things seem to be going well. Good, good.
Beerus! I mean, Lord Beerus!
How's his progress, Whis? Has Vegeta reached a level I'd find acceptable?
Let me think a moment. I'd say at his current level, he's among the top warriors of this universe.
Good. If that's the case, I think it's time for him to become a Super Saiyan God.
Super Saiyan God?
A Super Saiyan God is an immensely powerful being created for a short time when 6 Saiyans pure of heart combine their power. In order for you to become a Super Saiyan God, you alone will not be enough. You'll require 5 other Saiyans.
I've never heard of such a thing. And 5 Saiyans, you say? Where would I even find that many?
Come now, you don't need to worry about the particulars. I should be more than able to manage something.
But...
Enough complaining. Just let Whis do what he needs to do.
Yes, understood.
If you feel you're ready, we can begin preparations to have you undergo the transformation. Are you ready? Understood. Very well. Please wait as I make the necessary arrangements.
what it's like to be a Super Saiyan God.
Finally, you took long enough.
Sorry, Lord Beerus.
Now, Lord Beerus. Vegeta has achieved the transformation. Relish the fact that he can finally give you a proper fight.
Well, you're not wrong there. Vegeta, are you finally ready to fight?
Guess I don't have much of a choice. I have to fight him now. Perhaps I should be the one asking if you're ready, Beerus. This power should be more than you can handle.
It's been quite some time since I've had a proper challenge. I may struggle to control my power at first. My apologies if I accidentally kill you.
I'm not about to let that happen!
Well, you'd better make this fun for me.
This is the power of a Super Saiyan God! It's unbelievable!
Standard fare for a god. Feels good.
This is what God of Destruction can do! This power is absurd! Damn it, God!
Good. Try to keep this up. You Saiyans claim to be a warrior race, right? Show me you deserve such a distinction.
Dare you mock me! Got it, God!
Well, you're trying.
What's going on? My attacks aren't affecting him at all!
Oh, I'm feeling them, but that's only because I'm struggling to lower my power to match yours. I'm still not done playing with you, though. Just try not to die too quickly, okay? Say goodbye! Let's see you handle this. Okay. Your luck just run out. Your luck just run out. You've managed to make me break a little sweat. I could do with more of this every now and then.
Got it, God! Believe it! Believe it!
Out of my sight! Say goodbye!
Believe it! Got it, God!
Your luck's just run out. Your luck's just run out.
Got it, God!
I've had enough games for now.
Got it, God!
Well, so you can fight. I suppose you've passed for now, though only barely. Your technique is a little sloppy in places, but at least you show some promise.
Promise? That sounds like a pass to me. Congratulations, Vegeta! You must be pleased.
I pass?
That has to count for something, doesn't it? Needless to say, if you had not managed to properly control your godly power, Lord Beerus would have destroyed you.
What? Wait, but he said I was just to stave off his boredom.
Having the power of a Super Saiyan God means absolutely nothing if it doesn't stave off my boredom. Fortunately, you managed to succeed. I suppose I can let you live to entertain me another day.
What?
Now that you've achieved the Super Saiyan God form, you've taken your first step into the realm of the gods.
Let me make one thing clear. Do not let that power go to waste. If I find out you're misusing it, I will destroy you. Understand?
Yes.
Your power may be of more use to me in the future. I'm counting on you to be prepared if and when that time comes.
Excellent work, Vegeta. Well done. You've completed your training.
Finally. I know I'm stronger than before, but this power's almost not worth the stress.
You don't seem like you're in the mood to celebrate. May I say something?
What is it?
If you wish to train with me again, all you have to do is ask. You went to a lot of trouble to please Lord Beerus, so please consider it my way of thanking you.
Yes, I've got it.